Hello traders, this is Wilson from 𝗦𝗶𝐴𝐹 and today we're back with perhaps one of the most interesting contents of this week so far. In this video, we're going to describe and analyze how our free members gained 130 plus pips with our gold free signal. This breakdown video is going to break this trade from the higher time frame to the lower time frame so that you can easily understand and apply these strategies on your personal trading journey. So let's get started. The first thing that we noticed was in the daily time frame. So if we just pay a closer look around here, you can clearly see that this was an equal low, right? So what happens in this region is when these equal lows in the lower time frame can be considered as support zones. So most of the retail traders go long from this region, and as you can see that the price also went up, but this is the zone where most of the liquidity, most of the SLs of the retail traders are kept. So what price did was really interesting. Price simply went below this low, took out all the liquidity, and then went up. So we drew a Fibonacci from this low to this high so that we can get a proper discount level from which we can buy. The next thing that we did was we just went out for the perfect entry scenario. So in 3rd of December, in the last Friday, we noticed something very interesting. The first thing that we noticed was price just created a bullish engulfing candle in the daily time frame. At the same time had a significant retracement and rejection from the 70% discount level. This signifies one thing, that the price has to go high. So we just waited for the perfect entry. So let's just jump into the lower time frames to give you proper confluences. When we jumped into the lower time frame in the Monday, we saw something very interesting. As you can see that the price has been constantly creating trend traps. All the trend line traders just consider this trend line and went short, right? But the price had a different intention in its mind. So we just went long from this region around the NY session and it just hit our TP1. But we didn't move our SL to entry because we knew there was a possibility for price to go below and then showed up in the sky. So what we did was we kept our position running. It just went into a little drawdown and just filled out this imbalance and then went up around 130 plus pips. We have also included a screenshot so that you can get the proof that we closed half of our position at 130 plus pips. Our target is this region because if you just zoom in and just try to pay a close look, you can clearly see a weak rejection, and this clean candle, the imbalance of this clean candle needs to be filled. So our target is this area. This is our final target. We have closed our position and secured most of our profits around 130 plus pips. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look for some short possibilities. So if you just pay a closer look here, you can clearly see an imbalance and a significant rejection. We've also got some equal highs over here. So there can be two possibilities. The first thing is price may have a significant rejection from this region and then just melt. The next possibility is price may grab these equal highs and then go short. Another possible thing can be price just gets significant rejections from this area and then goes up. So these are all the possibilities that the price may reflect in the upcoming days. Stay tuned for more contents and more free signals like this. Just imagine if we're providing this kind of free values in our free channel, then what are the VIP members getting? We're offering our VIP service absolutely free, totally free of any charges, and you can simply check the link in the description down below. Thank you.